everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode, something fun. Yes, sit back and enjoy this video because there's a bunch of silliness at my expense. I did not plan to be silly, but things just went wrong in this video, so you're going to see that. Anyways, the product I'm going to show you is the GoGoBird. Now, you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? Aren't you a drone reviewer? Well, I review drones and RC products, and this, if you like drones, you're going to love this thing. This thing is a tiny little bird, very inexpensive. It flies with a remote control that it comes with if you wish, or you can fly it without a remote control. It has obstacle avoidance, so when it flies and it sees something 6 feet in front of it, it will turn to the left or the right to avoid that object. It actually works. So like at first I was like, there's no way this is going to work. It actually works. And it actually flies. You're going to see it in this video. And it's actually really well made because I beat the crap out of this in the video. And this is the one I was flying and it still flies to this day. I can't kill it. So how about I show you the video now of me trying to fly this baby and my poor judgment, and then come back to me and I'll tell you everything that comes in the box. Watch this. All right, first flight of this bird. It's a bit windy out here, but we'll see how it flies. Here we go. Okay, the remote is on and I have the green light. And I'll just press back here, turn this on. There we go. And it should turn green. There we go. Green light. So we're all good to go. Start flapping. And forward and launch. There we go. Now she's up. Now she's up. Stay up, stay up, stay up. Come on back. Come on, I've got it. It's got to come back to me. I'm going to put it in manual mode. Let's see. Change it to manual mode here. Hold that down. Turns to blue light. There we go. And now it's in manual. Let's try it again. It's just not getting any height. Okay. Oh, manual mode seems to work better. There we go. So you can fly it. I can keep it like hovering right there. There we go. Now, manual mode is the best. There we go. Beautiful. Let's bring it back to me. It's not going to come in the wind, but here we go. And if I want to stop it, stop. And dive bomb. Let's get some snow in it, that's for sure. Hey, birdie. There we go. So if there was no wind out here, like right now there's wind blowing this way, if there was no wind, it would actually work quite well. The wind is blowing straight at me. Here we go. Probably going to slap me in the face. There we go. I can keep it hovering right here if I hold the joystick forward. See that? Got it going. Whoa, it's attacking me. So this is not a good test out here because I think it's too windy for this thing. It requires like no wind. Now I'm curious, it does have a mode where you do not use the remote control. You just turn it on and let it go. So I'm going to call this flyaway mode. Let me just turn it on and see what happens. All right, flyaway mode. It says if I drop it, it should start. Oh, look at that, it's going. So I'm going to throw it into the wind. And she's gone back that way. It's supposed to avoid things by itself. Oh yeah, look at that. Over the snowbank, now it's gone away. It's gone. Oh my God, it's still going. Look at that. It's over there. It's going out on the road. Look, it's still going. That is truly flyaway mode. It's still going. It's in the next field. Oh no, it went by some trees. Is it going down? I have no control over it. It's just on flyaway mode. Oh, it hit that third tree over there. Oh well, let's go get it. So I see why they call it the GoGoBird, because it just goes, goes, goes. Check out my feet. Walk in the snow. Yeah, you just sink right down. Here, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Finally, I found it. It's right frickin' here. Right there. There you are, GoGoBird. Well, GoGoBird, you look like you survived. And now I must follow my trail back. All right, I'm gonna go stand over by those snowbanks. That should block some of the wind, I think, and we'll give it a shot again. There's a building there, so it can't go any farther than that building, so let's try it here. Whoa, do some dives. Get it over here and come back to me. Of course, now I get it working. Don't you dare go on the roof. Don't you dare. No. It's on the roof. I cannot get that. There it is up there. I have no luck. No luck. GoGoBird, unless the wind blows you off, you are staying up there. Oh, hang on. Let me try this. I can start it. There we go. There we go. Look at this. I gotta go. No, 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 no. Come on, back to me. Yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, go, 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 go. Yes. No. What are you doing, Go-Go Bird? Catch the wind. Oh, now it's going farther. Come on. Yes. Let the wind catch you. Yes. 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 Oh my God. I am like totally in the snow here. All right, you'd never know that I was wearing black pants because I'm just so full of snow. My boots are full of snow. I'm full of snow. I'm gonna take this back in. I'm having no luck out here. So not a good item for the wind, but with no wind, I think it's pretty cool, especially for the price. All right, maybe I'll go try it indoors. All right, we're gonna try this indoors now, and this could be a total disaster. Let's see how it goes. So I have it on manual mode. Let's see, so start this up, and let's see if I can fly through the house. Oh, look at this, I got it going this way, going. Oh, I almost had it, I almost had it. All right, so here we go, and pull it back, pull it left, right, go through there. Come on, I got it going, almost. That was not good. Let's try it down the hallway here. Left, 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 left. There we go. Left, 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 left. Yes, yes, yes. Pull it back. Not bad. You know what? So I guess you can. I guess you can fly these in the house. Missed the wall. Oh, look at that. It's missing the wall. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. It's... That actually works. That's pretty impressive. So on auto mode, I'm going to try this again. It is supposed to avoid things naturally. So it has to make it through that little door area. And it is now in my lamp. It's in there. Hello. Okay, last try I'm putting on auto mode. There, it's back on green. All right, let's go down the hall. Where are you? Oh, it's still going, still going, still going, still going, still going, still going. There we go. I need a bigger house. All right, I've got the whole road out there. Hopefully no cars run over it. Here we go. I got it going forward. I'm gonna see if I can bring it back to me. It's all right there. Ooh, going too high. It's going too high. Let's bring it back over here, over my head. So it's so easy to fly when there's hardly any wind. Let's bring it back to me over here. There we go. This way, down. And I'm gonna stop it now. Boink. That was a pretty good flight. It actually went for a long time and I could control it. The only thing I had to be careful of is not to get it too high. It says in the manual, don't get it too high or else you're gonna lose control with the winds and everything. So yeah, let's see if I can fly it here. Let's go. Got some power left. Let's lift it up. Oh, it seems like it's getting low on power. Is it? Yeah, getting low on power, but we'll see what we can do. Right at the camera. All right, one last flight. Here we go. I'm just gonna toss it and see where she goes. Look at that thing go. So easy to control. I'm gonna see if I can bring it back to me. There we go, turning it. And whoa, I've got it going too slow. There we go. I gotta speed it up. It's sitting out there on the road. Oh, I flew it into a snowbank. All right, let's try it again without hitting the snowbank. What I've found is if you pull back on the joystick, it literally just stops it like that in midair, which is okay, but then you can't do anything. If it's high up in the air, then that's good, but if it's low to the ground, you have to keep it just side to side. So here we go. There we go. Keep it going forward. It's going nice. Bring it over to the side, back to me. Come on. Into the tree. Watch this. Watch this, right? Oh, ow, ow, ow. Well, at least it didn't get stuck in the tree, which is a good thing. I don't know if it's going to work. I've got a little bit of power left. I'm going to try the circle mode. So here we go. I'll put it, as soon as I launch it, I'm going to hit the circle button and see if that works. Go, and circle mode. There we go. So it is turning into the tree. Okay, got it now. It shows circle mode is going to turn that way. So I want to do circle mode that turns this way. So I have to hit this button. So here we go. On. I hit the other button. Now I hit it and throw it, and it should go that way. And it's running out of power. So you saw, it's actually pretty good. It's a toy, but it's actually pretty decent. And you know what? It doesn't cost very much. In Canada, it costs very little, way under 50 bucks. And in the US, it costs way under 50 bucks. I think it's like $39 in the US. The links are all going to be below. Check them out. Around the world, I don't think it's very expensive, and it is an international company. I think they sell this internationally. Anyways, let me show you what comes in the box. This one here is a new one. I just opened it. I haven't flown this one yet. So you get, let me just hold it this way so you can see here over here. You get some instructions. There's a simple quick start guide, more detailed instructions there. And then in the box, this is what I want to show you. Let's see if you can see that. So you get the GoGoBird, you get the remote controller down here, no batteries. You have to put two AAA batteries in it. You get the charger up here and a battery plus a battery in the GoGoBird. Plus underneath, can I pull this out? Let's see, underneath there, down here, there's a screwdriver. That's just, you don't need the screwdriver. So yeah, that's everything you get in the box, and it comes in 4 different colors of your choice. Now let me tell you a little bit about the bird. It's really simple. It's simple gearing inside. It has a little infrared sensor on the nose that if it sees something within 6 feet, it will turn. It takes about 6 feet, so it can avoid it. The gearing's pretty simple, as you can see here, looking up close, and you put the little included 1-cell battery in the rear. You just pop it in. You can pop it out. It doesn't take too long to charge either. Matter of fact, if you have one of those portable USB charging power banks, you can then charge it out in the field. Just plop the battery in with the USB charger and charge it on the go while you're out at the park flying. It's pretty decent. So you have 2 choices. You have a remote here with all the options that you saw in the video, and then if you want, you can fly it without a remote in flyaway mode, as I call it. And let me show you flyaway mode here. So this is off. I'm going to turn this on. Let's see, just hold it down. I'll get a light. You should have a green light on the bottom. And now it's in what I call flyaway mode. So if I talk with my arms flapping around, it starts flapping. And it wants to go. The only way to stop it is turn it upside down. That's it. Ah, turn it upside down. Now I'm going to move you slow. There we go. Okay, so we're okay now. But yeah, so it's pretty sweet. So I'm going to put links below to where you can find this baby and check it out. I'm sure if you have children and you like to go to the park and do things together, this is a pretty cool thing to have. And you probably want to pick yourself up too to have a lot of fun with them. All right, if you have any questions on this product, just post them below and I will get back to you. And as I mentioned, the links are below. But for now, I say, come on, start up, baby. For now, I say, see you later. I'm just going to send it flying. It's stuck up here, still going. Hang on a sec. Come on back to me. It wants to fly up on the drone. Whoa, there we go. There we go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Many more drone reviews coming up in the future, and we'll catch you then with many more reviews. Till then, take care. Bye.